Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. So today I just kind of want to get on here and kind of tell you guys what I'm up to in the crypto markets right now, what I'm looking at, if there's certain projects I'm really looking at, and just kind of my general take on everything right now. And if you guys are a fan of cryptocurrency and some of the videos we do on this channel, just consider liking some of them and subscribing to the channel. Your support means a lot. And currently, right now, what I've been doing, kind of in this downturn, bearish market trend that we've been seeing, kind of really this whole summer and for the most part of 2022 is I'm just kind of watching right now. I mean, there are some projects I won't get into in this video that I'm really looking at, and I'll get into some that I am looking at. But right now, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin, is sitting at right over 19. Personally, I think that there's a lot more blood to happen in this market before we see really a positive uptrend. I think that I'm on the side thinking that, feeling that we go a lot more bearish before we go bullish. Or we might see kind of people are coining, the October this month typically. We might see it around the holidays, but I I definitely think this is just my opinion. None of this is financial advice, just my opinion. But I definitely believe that we see a 10K Bitcoin before we see a 50K Bitcoin. That's just me though. I could be completely wrong, but that's just my opinion. But looking at the markets here, you can kind of see there is some red in them today. I mean, Bitcoin's slightly up, not too much, but slightly in the grand scheme of Bitcoin. But again, just looking at down the list, some projects I'm currently looking at. If you're interested, I am looking at BNB. I am actually looking at XRP. I'm looking at Polygon, Polkadot, Avalanche, Phantom, just to name a couple on the main page. I like Nearest Tech, Quant. I know a lot of people are into Luna with the whole Luna burn plans, but I'm staying away from Luna Classic, new Luna. I'm just kind of done with it. I lost my fair share of money too with Luna, so I'm just done with Luna. If people can make 1,000x on it with the burns, good on them. But I think I'm done with it personally. But that's just me. If you look over at the gaming kind of sector, spot that I really like. Obviously, that's a big thing we cover on this channel. You can kind of see right now with projects like Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie all being really down. Gala, that is, if you know anything about me and have been watching some of the videos here, you know that I'm very passionate and high conviction in Gala games. So Gala is one that I am severely looking at and occasionally looking at some buy points right now. But again, I think that we go a lot lower. Just my opinion. Again, I could very well be wrong. No one who tells you on YouTube or anything, no one knows what's gonna happen. No, don't listen to anyone who's like, hey, we're gonna go to 100K or 1K. No one knows. But I think we go a lot more bearish personally. That's just my opinion. But like Gala, Vulcan Forge, Ultra, these are some projects that we've covered on this channel. Cetify, just name a couple that I'm looking at. And another one is Constellation DAG. Probably make a video on it sometime in the future. But Constellation DAG, if you really want to know, I am a supporter of Constellation DAG. I believe in it quite a bit. So that is one project I am always looking at constantly. Maybe trying to get enough DAG to get a soft node. But again, that's a video for a later time. Polygon is a very solid project that I am looking at accumulating at certain price levels. Again, I'm not doing much right now. I'm just keeping my powder dry, keeping a lot of my capital in stables currently, just waiting for things to get a little bit lower because, again, that's my opinion. I think we're going to go lower, and I'm not trying to be a downer. It's just what I think. But you should look at it as if we go lower, those are some pretty good buy zones personally. It's never a bad thing to go into a bearish trend because, again, everyone always says, whenever we're up and bullish, like we'll use Polygon as an example. At the end of 2021, when it was almost $3, everyone was like, "Well, I want to go lower," but it's always that typical statement of, "Well, now that it's lower, no one wants to buy anything." This is your time. If you're still around in crypto right now, you're gonna make it. You hear that a lot, but it's true. If you're still around right now, you're gonna make it. You're gonna have the chance to buy a lot lower than the prices that you see today, and then just hold on to those projects. Find ones that you have high conviction in, that you believe in the team, you believe in the project, you believe what they're doing, what they're building. Find use cases, revenue streams from them. Look at all that in a project. Don't just buy it off of a YouTube video. Just look at every aspect of the project that you can, that you're looking at investing, and then be okay holding it, for a little bit. This bear market might last, a couple months, couple years. But we will go bullish again. Bitcoin is going to hit that 100K, 500K, 1 million one day. Not saying when, because obviously I don't know. No one does, but I do believe it's going to happen. That's just my opinion. I don't see how Bitcoin doesn't. It's not going anywhere, but either way, guys, just wanted to, again, kind of show you what I was up to right now in the crypto markets with everything kind of going on, the current sentiment in the market. Again, I'm just sitting on my hands right now, just keeping all my powder dry, keeping it in stables, because, again, I think we go a lot lower before we go any higher, or significantly higher. But again, just my opinion. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing. If there's projects you're looking at accumulating at certain zones, or projects that I mentioned in this video, if you guys are fans of, not fans of, any feedback is appreciated. And yeah, just let me know what your guys' stance is. If you think Bitcoin goes up before it goes down, or if it goes down before it goes up, let me know. And otherwise, if you can like the video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you guys.